What is it, guys? What do you guys think? We got an install today. It's gonna be tons of fun. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. As always, I hope you were having a wonderful day. We got some car parts in. It's in this giant box over here. I'm pumped. I cannot wait to get it installed because it's gonna absolutely change the look of my car. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, here we go. Oh my God, there's a box inside a box. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, ooh, mounting hardware. More mounting hardware. Hey, do me a quick favor. Go into the garage and there's a big box. Just pull open the big box real quick.
Dad, are you in here? Dad? Oh, I see you. I see you, Dad. I saw you. I saw you.
Here, hold my phone.
I saw you.
Darn it.
Oh, you thought you could trick me?
Now let's cut open the bubble wrap so you guys can see how this thing looks. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I don't even know if my camera can capture this. Dude. Amazing. I've barely unwrapped this thing and I can already say APR absolutely crushed it with this wing. This thing looks incredible. Oh my God, once this thing is installed, my car's gonna look so good. I cannot wait. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm just gonna stay right here.
Yeah, that's good. Look at those rims.
Oh, hello, hello.
What's up? No glasses haircut, boy?
Dude, I can't see.
Oh, great. This is the guy that's gonna help me install that wing. Can't even see.
Okay, I can hold.
Hey, so I just opened it.
Okay.
Take a look and I wanna see your reaction.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's real carbon fiber.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, this thing's huge.
I know.
Oh. Yeah, it's bigger than me.
Yeah. 74 inches, dude.
It's gonna be like out here.
It goes to the mirrors.
Does it?
Yep.
Shut the f.
Yeah, it goes to the mirrors.
It's gonna be out here.
It's for a wide body car, but I'm not wide bodying.
That's awesome.
Yeah, dude. This thing is nuts. All right, let's take this wing off. You ready, Matt?
Yep.
Oh no. Oh no. Damn it.
It's a rip and a wrap.
It's a rip in a wrap. Damn it. It's so glossy, dude. Like I can totally see a reflection like perfectly. Oh man. Well, that's a bummer. I'm gonna have to get my trunk rewrapped.
Yep.
You found my cat? Where was she?
Okay, so she's on the neighbor's yard. Like she was on the neighbor's yard drinking water.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, she's wet.
I know.
And smells like a skunk. Oh my God, Snicks, you got sprayed by a skunk.
She was curious.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey. Babe, I have Snicks. Yeah. I don't know, the neighbor girl brought her over. But Snicks smells like a skunk.
Give
You
her
have to
a
give
bath.
her like a tomato paste bath. I'm gonna put her in the bathtub over here.
What are you doing, Snippy? Sorry. Oh man, I smell her.
Yeah.
It's bad. We do not want this around the house. I ain't gonna wash my hands.
That scared me.
She's trying to jump out.
She's trying to jump out.
Here's some towels right here.
Don't worry and just get in there and stay in there.
I'll be in the garage if you need me. Okay. Don't try this at home. Dude, why do I feel nervous now?
Right? It's scary, huh? Scary. There it is.
Oh my god, I just put a hole in it. Okay.
Bam.
Alright.
That's it. I'm good.
Ready?
Yeah, I can hold it.
Clean.
Yep.
The moment of truth.
There it is.
Will it fit? Oh! Like a glove. Oh, look at that. It's fantastic.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Owen Wilson over here. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. There we go. Dude.
Ooh.
Dude. Dude. That's insane. Awesome. All right. Well,
Let's do it.
okay.
Put it on.
Dude, it's so light.
Yeah. So yeah, it
Yep.
goes this way.
Now I see why people carbon fiber like panels
Everything.
on their car.
Yeah.
If my car, if I did that, dude, it would weigh like
Nothing.
nothing. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, hold it like that real quick.
Yeah.
I can't even say how good this looks. Man, my neighbor has like the worst timing when it comes to mowing his lawn. But dude, can you guys see this carbon fiber? Can you guys see? This is insane. This is nuts how good this looks.
Insane. Ooh.
All right, we're done. And it looks amazing. Let's check it out.
Oh! First close.
Oh man. No fingerprints. Look at it. It just shines. Everybody says diamonds are the shiniest, but I'd say fresh carbon fiber might be a little bit shinier. The profile of the car is completely different. Wow. Wow. I'm literally gonna edit Owen Wilson into this video.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow. There it is. There it is.
Does it look like from over there? Yeah, it comes right out to the mirrors, huh?
Yeah. It lines up with the middle of the mirror. Yep. Perfectly in line with the middle of the mirror. Oh, holy moly. It looks like a race car, like full on race car.
It's definitely 100 times more aggressive now.
Yes.
Yeah.
100 times. I think full bolt-on, E85,
Dude, E85.
bags, and rims,
Yes.
and that'll probably get, and then maybe even bigger turbos, because I heard I can get like 800 horsepower and run with the stock tranny.
Yeah.
As long as I get bigger turbos.
Yeah.
Yo, look at it in all its glory. That is glorious. There like isn't an angle that sucks right now. Oh man, and the fact that it looks black, but then you catch some green. We got Matt taking some proper shots, getting the angles. All right, friends, and there you have it, the APR wing install. This is the 74-inch version. It's meant for wide-body cars. I'm not wide-bodying. I just love how fat and big it is. So I think it looks awesome. And I do want to give a huge shout out to APR because they did give me a partial sponsorship on this wing. So if you guys ever need any body parts, wings, lips, whatever, hit them up. They do really good work. The carbon fiber is really good quality on this, so I'm super happy with it. This video's been pretty short, pretty sweet, so thanks for stopping by and checking it out. I really appreciate you guys, and I will check you in the next video. Okay, one more thing before we wrap up this video. You know how we like to get festive for the holidays. Look at this. We just got those spirally trees today. And our dinosaur eggs. They're actually gumdrops, but they're dinosaur eggs to me. Boom. Merry Christmas, everybody. You gotta be good so Santa will bring you all the car parts. All the car parts that you deserve. Well, there you have it, friends. Festivities at the burnt rubber pad. And now let's cut over to Matt, who's about to start up that Q60.
Oh, ready?
Yep.
Ready?
No way. Yeah. Looks so good. Looks like extra low to the ground right now too.
Yeah.
Dude, your car looks sick. This like purpley blue pink color that like this is like reflecting onto your car.
Does it look purple?
Yeah.
Is that a hint?
It is.
Is that a hint for the color that's coming?
It's an Easter egg.
Easter egg. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for watching GTR Burn Rubber. We'll catch you next time.
All right. Just go straight.
This thing is so steep.
Just keep going straight. Did you scrape?
No, that was me losing traction.
Oh. Dude, wait, I want to see. Are you? Do it again. Oh, yes, hold on. This is awesome. Do it some more. Oh, man, I love it. We got a car coming. I can see it. All right, dude. Thanks for your help. Later, man.